Hi, Sam and Zach.
Hi.
So, anong gagawin niyo tonight?
Mag-open ng gift.
Okay, so, sige na, start na. Wow.
Oh, I know this. Oh, it's a big gun.
It's a big gun. What did you get, Samantha? Pinypon. How about you, Marcus? What did you get?
It's a gun.
You got a gun.
No, so big.
Wow.
Well, I love one.
Who bought those toys?
You.
Me. Hi, Mama Bill.
Awakan na natin yung toy.
Oh, show them your new toys. Wow. How about you, Ading? Wow.
Please open that. Let me help me. This is plastic. Bakit ko na
Wow.
ito sirain?
No, 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 no.
Why? This is plastic. Thank you, Mom.
Welcome. Love you.
Daddy. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Daddy. Wow! So big.
You need a screwdriver? Mm.
Extraction.
Can I see the box, Samantha?
Oh, yes.
What's that? It's a
Pinypon
Mix is Max. Pinypon baby party? Yeah, baby party. What's inside? You show them the side of the box. Wow. You love Pinypon?
Yeah.
Is it your favorite? There are two babies.
Scissor. I need scissor too.
How about you, Ading?
So crazy. I'm crazy, Dad. I'm crazy too.
Do you love your new toy?
Yeah.
Very much?
How about this, Dad? Whoa!
Oh, move ka dito, move ka dito.
You.
Show them your new gun. Come here.
Haha.
Wow.
So big.
Wow.
Yes. Come on. Huwag ka makalit, Gonggong. No. Mom.
You need help? You wait for Papa.
Bali, tira ko na po.
What? Oh, sige.
Oh, I know.
Sa kabila din. Pantay. What will you say?
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Ading, what will you say, Ading? Ading.
Can you hold Thank you.
Wait, I'll just end the video.
Thank you.
What will you say, Ading?
Thank you.
Thank you and
For Mama and Daddy.
love you.